I'm doing a new Roblox video. Yes, 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 yes. Yes! Guys, I'm gonna try to do another one. Yes, 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 yes. Please, please, God, please. No, no. Yeah! Guys, I'm gonna do another one again. Yes, 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 yes. Guys, did you know I thought this were for getting Robux? Yes.
Kami na ba na ko undo?
Ha?
Ano man mong gibuhat din na?
TikTok?
Si TikTok.
Guys, I think my mama do not like TikTok. Don't you me? Help!
Dapat TikTok mo dito nga. Guys, akong mama pakan-on ko. Nagdahit ng unta ko. Saan ko ako guys? Tabangi ko guys.
Don't you?
So mana online?
Nope.
Hindi sa ba? Guys, nagdahit man unta ko. Akong mama sige magpakaon ako. Tabangi ko.
Here, yeah. What just happened? Why am I at that table? See, look guys, this thing is ugly. Look at it compared to my face. This one, right? And then my original face. Which one is the difference, the dog or me?